Hello everyone, Money Collector is here, and once again we have a coins here, and this one is from the United Kingdom, and you have this uh, new 10 pence. This is a shield pence. If you complete this, you can have the 10 shield, 10 pence, 5 pence, £1 with a coat of arms, and this is just a part of the if you know what I mean, the coat of arms. It consists of I think this is 7 coins, and this one is a part of a shield, and this is from the bottom I think, and £1 in the middle, and they have different kind of sizes and design. They have the octagon, they have the circle, and we also have this 50 pence from, this is a 50 pence from year 1997. As you can see, this is the face of Queen Elizabeth facing right with the crown. I think this is the crown of King George. And we also have here the 1999 50 pence. As you can see, they have the different kind of crown here. She is wearing the, I think, the crown of Victoria, and this one is the crown of King George, I think. You can see the difference, and the ear and the face. She's getting old already. And we have here the 10 pence of year 1996, and year 1995 I think. Yes, 1995. Yes, it's a 1995. We also have these 3 pieces of year 1992. A beautiful coin to collect. This is a coat of arms or a emblem, the lion with a crown, and the value 10 pence, and the numerical value here 1 and 0. And especially I have here this one of my favorite coin from United Kingdom or Great Britain. This is a 1 shilling. We have here the coat of arms at the reverse, and this is from year 1956. A beautiful coin. We have this coat of arms with crown here, and the 3 lions, and the value 1 shilling, and the year date 19 on the left and 56 on the right. And this is the first portrait of Queen Elizabeth on 1953, when she take oath after her father died, King George VI. And this is a young Queen Elizabeth when she was in her first years. As you can see, the edge here and the beads is still complete on the edge. And here it has a reeded edge. This is one of my favorite coin, a 1 shilling. of 1956, and I think I have a few of these also. And the older years, I think, I don't know if it is silver, but this one I think is a nickel. I never checked. And this is 1 shilling. I don't know which is higher, the 1 shilling or the 1 penny. I think this is this 1 shilling. And yes, this 1 shilling is much higher value than the 1 penny. So penny, cents, just like that. 1 shilling, I don't know how or how many of this have been made, or until when they made. I think it's until 1970s. This one is from 1956, the first years of rule of Queen Elizabeth. 1956 1 shilling, a beautiful coin, and beautifully designed, just like the gilden of Netherlands, the kroner of Denmark and Norway. They have the same design also, and the fonts, the lettering, and it's beautiful. And that's it. This is Money Collector, and please comment and like this video, share this on your social media, Facebook and Twitter. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next videos. Thank you.